Okay, so now let us see how we handle these numbers when we are going to use alternate angles, corresponding angles, and so on. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now let me start with this one. This one is that these two are parallel, meaning this is a transversal. Say the line that cuts two parallels is called a transversal. So now meaning that this is alternating to this, so meaning that these two are equal. So from here, 2 minus 10 is equaling to 65 minus x. And there, the correct right terms. We bring x this side, so we have 2x. When I bring this, it will become now a positive, equaling to 65. Now I take this the other side, it's going to become positive. So this will be 3x equaling to, this will give you 75. And then you see that our x here, if you divide through by 3, is going to be 25 degrees. That's the value of x. When I come to this, first of all I want to get y. So that these are vertical opposite angles, meaning my y is equaling to 75 degrees. In brackets, the property is vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles. So here the property was alternate angles. So meaning that this one is going to be 75. So if this is 75, so my y is 75 degrees. Now if I bring in this now, this 70 and this 70, they are going to be co-interior angles, meaning that now my 15x minus 100 degrees plus now this 75 is going to be 180. The property I'm using here is the idea that these are, in the bracket, the idea, the property I'm using, these are interior angles called interior angles. That's the property I'm using here for interior angles. So this will be now 15x now plus, when we reduce this, I think we get 45 equaling to 180. So we take this side, we have 15x equaling to 180. It's positive, that's going to become minus. So this will be now 15x equaling to, when we subtract there, I think you get 135. So here, if you divide through by 15, and here by 15, our x is that our x is going to be, let me bring simple duster. So from there, I think you see if we divide through, we get 15, goes here I think 9 times. So our x is 9. So now, when it comes to this one, we are going to use the idea, this and this are corresponding angles, so this is equal to this. So these are going to be corresponding angles. Corresponding angles meaning that this and this are equal. So that 3x is equal to, this is 5, is equal to 65. Now take this one, so this and this are corresponding. So taking this side, is that R3x is going to be 65 minus 6. So becomes, this is minus 5, sorry. So this is 16. If you divide it by 3, so that our x is going to be 20 degrees. When I come to this, now this one, we are going to redraw. If I redraw this like this, and then it's going to be something similar to this now. So these sides are parallel to each other. They are only corresponding if these two are parallel. Even here we are parallel, even these are parallel. So if I draw a line that is passing through there, like this. Remember, this is 50 degrees, and this is 70 degrees. Now using, so it's that if this is also these ones, mean that this angle here is going to be now alternating there, 70 degrees, and now this 50 is also going to be there, alternate there. So now it's that my x is the all of this is going to be x. So it's that from there, my x is going to be 50 degrees now plus 70 degrees. and my x is 120 degrees. And now it's that if I have x, I can get w. Why? Because angles around a point, they add up 360. So w plus x will be 360 degrees. That my w plus 120 is 360 degrees. So my w will be 360 minus 120, and now your w will be 240 degrees if you subtract. Now here we are going to use also the same idea. Now I'm going to extrapolate this one. You see that I will have in such a thing, and also here I'm going to extrapolate this. You see I will have in such a thing. Please, these are straight lines. When I extrapolate this one, I'll be having that case there. So now, still if I divide this into two equal parts. Now, you start this one is a line. So meaning the balance here, if this is 120, remember the whole line is 180 degrees linear angles. So this one is going to be 60 degrees, so this will be 60 degrees. So if this is 100, now this balance is going to be 80 degrees. 80 degrees. Because this is a half of that. Now, if I draw a line parallel to these two lines already, and this is parallel also that one, it means that the whole of, if this one is going to be alternating this one, so this will be from here up to here, it's going to be 60 degrees, and also from here up to here is going to be 80 degrees. Meaning that now my y is going to be 60 degrees plus 80 degrees, and I think you get 140 degrees. When you come to this, you start these two are parallel, meaning that now, what are we going to apply? First of all, you see this triangle here. This plus this will be adding to 180. So z plus 35 plus 50 is equal to 180. Our property we have used angle sum of a triangle. I think so this is the triangle. So this would be z plus 85 equal to 180. Take the other side. Your z will be positive. Now I take that side, it becomes now minus. So see that your z is going to be 95 degrees, like that. Now, if we come now, if we have z there, we have also y there. Now it's that this y, if these two are parallel, it's that this y is alternating with this 50. It's that from there, our y is going to be 50 degrees. The idea is alternate angles. Alternate angles. So if y is 50, my y is 50 degrees. So if y is 50, now we have this plus this. You know that these are angles, right? Meaning that this plus this, they add up to 180. So z plus y plus x, they are adding up to 180. Angles, the property angles on a straight line. So now we put in, so z is 95. Then plus y, which is 50, then plus x equaling to 180. So when you add this one to this, you get the 145 plus x equaling to 180. So your x will be 180. Now I take this side, minus 145. So that my x is going to be 35. So if x is 935 there. So now members, I think that's how we handle these ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.